pleasure to welcome you to Los Angeles. The approximate local time is 9:15. For your continued comfort and safety, we do ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has parked the aircraft at the gate and turned the seatbelt sign off. This will be your indication to give around the cabin as you feel necessary to collect your personal items you brought on board. We do ask you to use caution when opening overhead bins. If you do need any assistance here with baggage claim, ground transportation, or connecting flights, there will be a uniformed Delta agent greeting the flight more than happy to assist you. There are also video monitors located throughout the terminal for good information, and as always, you can check delta.com. It's been our pleasure bringing you to Los Angeles. We hope your future plans call for air travel. You'll once again think of Delta Airlines. Thank you and have a great day.